Hey Funky Junkers, watch as I make this cute little pumpkin wall decor, just hot glue and some other small odds and ends that I had laying around in my craft stash. I took a Dollar Tree pumpkin form and simply traced it out onto this wood cutting board that I picked up at the Goodwill. I traced it all out and then I took my hot glue and just went around with a thick bead of hot glue all around where I had penciled in the pumpkin shape. I did take some Dollar Tree flowers and put those up in the corner and just glued them all down. I then took some clay molds, some hot glue molds that I had laying around, and I just kind of laid them all around inside my pumpkin just for some dimension. And some were painted, some weren't, and I just laid them down how I liked, creating a really layered effect for the stem and down the pumpkin. I then put a couple embellishments and flourishes up in the corner, and I glued those down with my hot glue gun. I then went around the little leaves that I had put up there, and I went around the leaves with my hot glue, creating a pattern and also doing the veining of the leaves as well. Once I got all the hot glue down everywhere and the molds where I wanted them, I took some black acrylic craft paint and mixed it with some metallic bronze to create a really pretty oil rubbed bronze finish. And I painted the entire surface and all the molds, making sure I got into all those nooks and crannies with the black paint and metallic bronze combination. Once I got that all down and dry, I took some white wax from Art Minds. I think I got it at Michael's, and I just dipped it and then rubbed it all over my entire piece and then wiped it off with a baby wipe and some dry paper towels until I got the shading that I liked with the white wax. I gave it a blast with my hair dryer to get it nice and dry. And then I went over it with some metallic bronze and a metallic silver finish, kind of dry brushing it on and then wiping it off till I got this kind of steampunky look. I then went over all of the glue designs and the molds with my favorite antique gold rub and buff. And in the end, I did add some Totally Dazzled bling, and it's fabulous.